Hello, myself Priya, and I had been waiting for this retreat for almost 3.5 years to 4 years. So I got to meet Jay sir in a program called UUU. So that program I thought had transformed me, and then I was just waiting for this to happen. But 3 years back I was not in the condition that I could attend this, but now I got the chance and I was like, I just want to come here and experience, because that was the goal. I want to meet Jai sir and I want to do this. About the retreat, it is just above my expectation. Like if I expected this, I had got these many results. First of all, the space in itself was so comforting. It felt so safe. So safe, not just in the atmosphere or the amenities or the facilities. They were obviously up to the mark. But safe space as in a space where you can be vulnerable, even of your closest of close friends or your family members. The deepest of fear of, if I would say this would be taken in some other aspect or anything. But here you are being said to be, you are being told to speak up so that you can get the solution. The small goals or the small things which we said, oh I want this or I want this, we find that it's so difficult to accomplish. So setting larger goals is like out of your vision. Itna kar lu bas hai. But when you come here, when you express, when you have been said this is to you will accomplish easily only. ऐसे ये changes डालो तो ये तो आ ही जाएंगे. So here you have been taught that dream big. Don't just dream big. Make it a step-by-step thing. Like how can you achieve that big dreams? It is not just ये सोचा plan किया. Okay, सोचा plan किया. Now how are you supposed to execute? What are the छोटे changes that you have to get in your, not only in your routine but in yourself? I have been into healing and other aspect of healing or holistic wellness. I have been there. But the deepest of deep fears, which I didn't knew that still existed, that came on the surface. So that helped me to realize, oh, this was needed to be resolved till now. So one of the transformation I got was that my fears were not only did they came up, but they were acknowledged and they were resolved. Yeah, so about the meditation, so as having lived a difficult life for 1.5 months in terms of relationship, so I had first day was difficult for me to sit and meditate, but gradually as the hand holding that was provided during the meditation helped me meditate, like I was able to sit, I was able to focus. The meditation was actually served the purpose that it was supposed to, even when I was not ready to do that. Okay, we just heard about it, like it felt so exciting. Oh, it's going to be like the old self is going to die and the new self is going to be birthed. But the actual process, when we entered, we sat, and the detailing which it had, it felt scary, because the old self had so many things. Like you don't want to hear the bad about yourself, right? You don't want that to be seen. But the step by step it took, and it didn't feel like, oh, this is something I don't want to share, I want to hide it. I was actually willing to get rid of my old self. And the rebirthing, the process had so many small processes which led to the complete process, and it was phenomenal. The first thing that I said that I was totally nervous. Though I was excited, but the nervousness was that I would not be the same. It will happen and all of that. But if to be differentiated between the day 1 and the day 4, I feel the enhanced level of perception that I have now was not there earlier. The enhanced level of not just motivation, but the inner drive to do it. Because now I know that these are going to be the challenges are going to be there. But now I know that how am I supposed to tackle that. Yeah, obviously the expectations were like overly met. I had tears in my eyes, I was crying out of gratitude. I was crying out of pain, I was crying out of the need for love, and all those hidden emotions came up. And so I did not expect this much, but yeah, it was fulfilled. Okay, so this is just a part, another part is left. Wait for it tomorrow. So I was like, already this itna sab ho gaya, ab kya hoga? So, and then came this, the last day, the final meditation. So we did our morning rituals, we did everything, and it was like, okay, done, this is the last day, it's going to end. And then came this. So we were all settled, and then again the step by step thing happened, and it was, nothing could be more balanced or concluding this whole retreat than the meditation. It was prolonged meditation. When he said us that you have to visualize, I was like, ये तो नहीं हो पाएगा मेरे से, because there was so much of visualization. I thought कहीं तो अटकूंगी मैं ये visualization में. But the small details it took, and I was whole into that process, and I could complete it from the start to the end. So, and I could feel what he was trying to convey, or he was trying to teach us. So yes, it was again phenomenal. I was just into gratitude, and during the meditation also, I don't know, there was unexpected tears, like for moments of tears. I don't know why was that. Okay, so these were the tears of gratitude, like happiness, like whatever I was suffering, I had all on my mind. Oh, this was done, this has happened. But now I have the strength, or I was excited now to go in the world and to work and to do things that I do it every day. So because this is a renewed power that I have got, and so I'm excited to explore it in the outer world now. So during the process, we were said to like dream big. So now, not just dream big, but now how we have categorized into our daily task, or the daily things, or the daily rituals, or the weekend rituals that we are supposed to do in order to achieve those goals. So yeah.